today's code. This is what I've got ice. Today we are in the woods again. The weather is perfect and I actually regret that I didn't bring drone with me. But different situations happen and I'll try my best to do some shots with my camera. We're finally at the place. Today is really cold. The internet says it's -2, but I feel a little bit colder. But there are different conditions, so I should prepare. The leaves looks really great. They all look frozen. I'll just make a real quick explanation of my mic. So here's the mic. It's Love mic, really cheap. And the wires coming here under my coat, and right here Zoom mic that's recording everything. So now let's put GoPro on the place and here we go. Boom. Sometimes I'm looking for these flares, but if I move a little bit this way, oh yeah, now I can shoot what I want. And a bit closer for details, yeah. And here we go. Right now with 7200, it's like too tight and you need to look like exactly for the details more. I definitely want to shoot these trees. Oh, this is much better. We all learn here, so there you can see the pigeons right there. I want to take a picture of them actually. There you are. I hope I will not sleep over. Yeah. Now I need to go a little bit higher on that hill. There's a lot of sun. It's a little bit harder than I thought, but oh yeah. Here are some lights. I really like this spider web and I want to work it somehow. At first I will try from this side, maybe a little bit from the shadow side, and now it will be a little bit contrasty. This way and this way, yeah. Ooh. So, but oh, I really like this one. So here, like lines like this. Oh, there's definitely something. That's what I wanted. A little bit, a few tight shots maybe of this frozen tree with fall. Try to go this way. Wow, look at these rocks. It's not the rocks, but maybe from other side you can choose like a different angle and take like on this side here. Now I can do something. Focus is great, and I like this diagonal lines here, like this ground formations. And now I also want to shoot this hotel, but I need to change to manual focus because it's too far away. We have this like air formations. I don't know how it goes. And I should get a little bit lower. Yeah, this. So, oh, there are some ducks. Here I wanted to shoot them. So I have a small tripod with me. I can put it right here. Wow, there's so many here, actually. Like I focused on them, but they're so dark that I barely can see them. But some of them may now come to my side. And wait. Don't go away. Don't go. Right in the middle. Yeah. Let's see. No. This fisherman goes out of the water. I don't have time. Here's the level. I think that was the main point of the water, the main level. When the water was here. And you just had a few steps right here when you just come in. But now the levels are down. Yeah. Here is the view. There's some boat. Let's see what's happening there. So, one battery left. So one. I should definitely do a few shots on my iPhone. Great. We have a subject, this picture, and we wait for those people. Yeah. Yep. It's interesting, at least for me, at least at the moment. Maybe I can do something with this. Just fully detailed shot. Maybe something like this. Oh wow, found something. Those trees. Weeds. There's green leaves on them. I think it's definitely worth a shot. I really like this sound, it's so beautiful. Wow. So I think it's enough for today. Now we are in the middle of nowhere, but people here actually like to walk here, to spend some time here with their thoughts. And I think it's this point I can end this video. Maybe it's worked, maybe it's not. It's just an experiment. So see you in the next one and enjoy the view.